Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to be making taco soup in the crock pot. If you want, you can do it on the stove too, it works like that. So if you like videos like this, go ahead and like and subscribe, and let's get started. Okay, so the ingredients you want to use is a pound of ground beef, 28 ounces of crushed tomatoes, 15 and a fourth ounce of corn, 15 ounces of black beans, 15 ounces of red kidney beans, and I added a can of pinto beans too. And then you want an envelope of dry ranch, and then you want an envelope of dry taco mix, and then an onion. Okay, so first you want to put in the ground beef. And I also put the onions in too. Or you could put the onions in later. Doesn't matter. I like them to be nice and golden brown. Then you just mix it all together. And you just let it cook until it's brown. And then I'll show you what you do next. Okay, so the ground beef is cooked. So I'm just turning off the stove. Now I'm going to set it aside for just a second. Okay, so next you want to take the ground beef and add it to your slow cooker. So I set the slow cooker to high, so you can do it on high for 4 hours, or you can cook it on low for about 8. It could be done before that though, so. Okay, next you want to add your diced tomatoes, and you can use crushed tomatoes, diced tomatoes, it doesn't matter, either one works. And then you want to add the corn. And then the kidney beans, pinto beans, and the black beans. And you don't drain them. And then you want to add the ranch packet and the taco season packet. Then just mix it together. And after you have it all mixed together, put on the lid and wait for 8 hours, depending on if you have it on low or high. Wait for it to cook. Alright, I'll see you in a few hours. Okay, so the food is done. So you can add a few toppings. You can use fritos or regular chips. You can add sour cream and cheese, or like diced tomatoes, and who can eat it without avocado? I love, 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 love avocado. So I'm gonna put some avocado in it, some sour cream, some cheese, and some Fritos, and it's gonna be good. So I'll show it to you and then we'll try it. Okay, so here's the ingredients. Got some avocado, sour cream, Fritos, and cheese. And here's what it looks like. I'm going to get a bowl, put my toppings on it, and go ahead and like and subscribe if you like videos like this. And I'll show you what it looks like in a bowl. Alright, here's what it looks like. And I will post the recipe in the description, and see you guys later.